by the best player of the game, Adrian Long, and winning head coach, Yang Yao. Coach Yang, itong panalo niyo today, it's sort of like a deja vu nung panalo niyo sa NLEX where you were down on first quarter, and then second, nakahabol kayo and eventually gaining the win of that game. Ano masasabi mo, an assessment mo sa team mo on starting slow and then eventually finding the rhythm?
Mahirap talaga kalaban yung team na they're going to try their best. They're going to compensate for the absence of the import. Phoenix is a good team. They have materials. They're well coached. So nag-worry na ako nung una kasi if you give them the feeling that they can stay with you even without an import, delikadong kalaban yun eh. At a certain point, you have to put some distance between you and them. Yun nga, mabuti sa fourth quarter nakalayo kami. Pero di kami nakalayo, we will have a long night against Phoenix, even if they don't have an import. So, I keep reminding the guys also na yes, we're winning. We're 0-3 before this game, 0-4. Pero lahat ito fragile. All of this is fragile. You lose 2 games in a row, you lose to a team without an import, which could have happened today. Then, all of that is just going to dissolve, and you'll just be another regular team again. So lahat ito, temporary. We're hoping we can stretch our win as much as we can. Ang hinahabol talaga namin, 6 na panalo. Kasi tingin namin 6 na panalo, safe ka na. You're into the next round. So we're 4 wins, we're 2 wins away from that. Pero mabigat yung kalaban namin susunod sa bigyan naman. We're doing fine, we're doing well. Yun nga, it's also a treat to see different guys sit with me here sa post-game interview. That means iba-iba yung nagko-contribute sa laro.
Thank you so much, Coach. Adrian, 19 points nung second quarter when you stepped on the court, and ngayon, best player of the game. Ano yung nag-spark ng gameplay mo today?
Ayun, mindset ko lang kanina. Sabi ko, pagpasok ko, umpisahan sa defense. Tapos kung may transition, tatakbo lang ako ng tatakbo. So yun, dahil din sa mga teammate ko, kaya nakuha ko yung 19 points kanina sa second quarter. Takbo lang ako ng takbo yun, nabibigyan naman nila ako.
We are now opening the floor of the media. Any questions?
Coach, congratulations. What's happening is every day this year. This equals your best start since your first championship noong 2012. Coach, alam natin yung beat Ginebra, in Candon, and 2 comeback wins that you're facing San Miguel next week. Would you take, kung manalo kayo agad San Miguel, would you, may confidence na kayo na nandun na kayo sa title contention?
Hindi pa naman title contention, no? Kasi nalilitan pa ako sa sample size natin. 4 games pa lang. Kalaban namin San Miguel, 5 games pa lang. Kailangan kasi alam mong matatag ka sa playoffs eh. Alam mo kung magaling ka na talaga o contender ka pagka nasa playoffs ka na, at siguro nakakapagbigay ka ng magandang laban sa playoffs. Pero sa elimination, yun nga, yung ibang teams dito painit pa lang eh. Ibang teams late naghanda ng pre-season. So makikita mo talaga yung galing nila towards siguro middle of elimination or towards the end of the elimination. Maganda lang nakikita, nananalo ka. Pero mahirap sabihin na ano na kami, title contender na kami. Hindi mo pa rin masasabi yun. Pero sabi mo nga, fragile ito. Matalo ka lang ng 2 beses, ma-demoralize ka, ma-injure lang isang key player mo, mag-slide ka na naman. So, kailangan talaga pangalagaan.
last game nga, si John Red yung best player, so ako naman yung best player ngayon. Nakamit ni Coach yung last time na yung you're playing na talagang maganda yung chemistry nyo, you're playing with each other na playing as a team. But talk about yung samahan ninyo sa team. Kung kamusta naman yung relationship nyo with the other players?
Yung relationship namin as a team, sobrang, ang nararamdaman ko sobrang solid namin. So sa off the court, sa court, talagang yung samahan namin talagang nagkakaisa kami.
19 points kayo sa second quarter. Ano bang nangyari doon?
Kaya nga, talagang yun ang ano ko lang talaga kanina, sabi ko, pagka may run ko, tatakbo lang ako kasi alam ko naman bibigay ng mga teammate ko. So yun, na-check ko lang din talaga na lahat ng pass break laging nalilibre ako. So yun, kaya naka 19 points ako kanina.
That concludes the post-game press conference. Once again, congratulations to Rainer Scheidel.